Imagine being able to connect with any girl instantly by saying just the right words. It may sound crazy, but words have a lot of power. When you say the perfect thing at the perfect time, you can make her feel all sorts of emotions and make her interested in you. Today, I'm going to tell you about 6 secret phrases that can help you do just that. These aren't just random things to say, they're like magic words that can help you stand out, get out of the friend zone, and make a special connection with girls. And trust me, the last phrase is a game changer. 1. I don't think you're ready for me yet. Alright, so here's the deal. When you tell a girl, I don't think you're ready for me yet, it can really grab her attention. It makes her wonder why you think that and what you mean by it. It's like a little mystery that she wants to solve. But remember, you should say it in a playful way, like you're teasing her. The goal isn't to push her away, but to make things fun and interesting. For example, if she says something cool about herself, you could playfully respond with, I don't think you're ready for me yet. This shows her that you're not just trying to impress her like everyone else. The cool part is that the more she thinks about what you said, the more she'll want to prove you wrong. It keeps things exciting and keeps her wanting more. 2. I like women who know what they want. When you tell a girl, I appreciate women who know what they want, you're not just giving her a compliment, you're challenging her to show that she's confident and independent. Instead of just trying to impress her with typical flattery, you're setting a higher standard. This can change the way she sees you. Instead of you chasing after her, she might start trying to prove that she's the kind of woman you admire. This shows her that you're not just like every other guy who's trying to win her over. You know what you want and you're not afraid to say it. Girls are naturally drawn to guys who have high standards because it shows that you're confident and mature. So next time you're talking to a girl, try dropping this line and see how it changes the way she sees you. 3. Most men are too afraid to use. Make sure you pay attention all the way to the end because you don't want to miss out on this. Saying you have a unique way about you is really cool and I think it's awesome. Let's talk about something small but super important. This phrase isn't just a regular compliment, it's kind of mysterious. When you tell a girl she's unique, it makes her curious. She starts wondering what you mean and what makes her special, so she wants to know more. Most guys usually just compliment a girl's looks or style, which is nice but forgettable. But when you notice something deeper, like how her eyes light up when she talks about things she loves or how confident she is when she speaks her mind, it shows you really see her for who she is, not just how she looks. Try saying this with a smile and look her in the eyes. It's not just about the words, it's about the vibe you give off. When you say it naturally, you'll instantly connect with her. Give it a shot next time you talk to a girl and see how she reacts. 4. That's what I like most about you. When you give someone a compliment, it's like taking it to the next level. Instead of just saying you're pretty, you can really make them feel special by pointing out something unique about them. For example, you could tell them how inspiring it is to see how passionate they are about their hobbies, or how they have a certain energy that just lights up a room. Why does this work? Because it shows that you really see them for who they are. Everyone wants to be recognized for more than just their looks. By noticing the little things, like the way their eyes light up when they talk about something they love, or how confident they are when they speak, you can create a stronger bond. Just remember, it's important to give these compliments at the right time. When you notice something special about them, like their contagious laughter, their ability to really listen, or how poised they are, that's when you should speak up. By highlighting these qualities, you show that you truly pay attention, and that's something they'll always remember. 5. I don't know if you can handle me. This phrase is all about being confident and playful. It's like a fun challenge that keeps the conversation interesting. When you say, "I don't know if you can handle me," it makes the other person curious about you. They might be thinking, "What makes this person so special? Why would I have a hard time keeping up with them?" By saying this, you're creating a fun and exciting connection. To use this line effectively, say it with a smile and a playful attitude. For example, if someone is teasing you or bragging about something, you can respond with, "I don't know if you can handle me." This shows that you're confident but not too full of yourself, and it makes the other person even more interested in getting to know you. 6. I'm not that easy. When you like someone, it's important to show that you're not just another person trying to win them over. By saying, "I'm not that easy," you're letting them know that you respect yourself and won't just do anything to get their attention. It's a way to show that you're a challenge, which can be attractive to many people. If they ask what they need to do to win you over, you can playfully say, "Maybe I'll tell you someday," to keep them interested. These phrases are more than just words, they can help you build a stronger connection with someone you like. Remember to say them with confidence and a smile, and watch how things change in your favor. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips.